Hey everyone, hope everyone is doing well. This is the very first lesson of Honeysuckle, who did Patrick's homework. So I'm just giving you the summary of the lesson and you have to thoroughly read the lesson on your own, right? Let's start with it. Patrick always disliked doing his homework. He finds it's boring and instead of doing his homework, he used to play basketball and football. His teachers were fed up with him. One day, he was surprised to see his cat playing with a little doll. But he later found it was not a doll, but a tiny man, wearing a woolen shirt with old-fashioned trouser and a high, tall hat. The man told Patrick to save him from the cat. He promised to fulfill Patrick's wish if he saves him. Patrick became happy because the tiny man was the solution of his problems. Doing his homework was the biggest problem for Patrick. He asked the tiny man to do the homework till the end of the semester. His semester ends after 35 days. The man started doing his homework. However, he did not want to do it. The elf was annoyed. He started doing Patrick's homework, but he faced difficulties. He did not know what to do and needed Patrick's help. He asked for a dictionary and later told Patrick to find the meaning of a word. Similarly, the tiny man finds it difficult to solve mathematical problems. He finds it hard to do addition, subtraction, division, and fraction. He also does not have any idea about human history and finds it mysterious. The tiny man got irritated and ordered Patrick to visit a library as he needed more and more books. The man has become a trouble for Patrick and kept on complaining about one or the other things. As a result, Patrick was working very hard and was studying till day, night, late nights and going to school every day. Finally, the last day of school arrived and according to the agreement, the tiny man could go to place. There was no homework left, everything was done, so the tiny man was free. Everybody was surprised as Patrick got A in all subjects. The teachers were happy and appreciated Patrick's effort. His parents could not believe what has happened. They were shocked. People witnessed a serious change in Patrick's behavior. He became a model child as he started cleaning his room, did other work and was cheerful. He was not rude to anybody. Patrick thought that the tiny man was responsible for this change. He thought that the man did all these things for him. He did not understand that he himself did everything. So this is all about the chapter. Hope you have understood. We'll be meeting soon in the next lesson. Till then, take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.